Today is cruise day and we are in the car getting ready to leave to go to the port. It's only 8:30 and we were supposed to be there at 10:30 and we're right up the street, but that's okay. We're gonna get there early and we're gonna wait. And we had a great time at our hotel. We ended up yesterday, even though it was a little bit rainy, we went to go see snakes and alligators and ants on my. And we're excited about getting on Carnival Mardi Gras. We're going to go to, I think it's Pier 3 that we're going to.
Yeah, Terminal 3.
Terminal 3. This will be the first time that we go to that terminal,
No, it
right?
ain't.
No, second time, because we've been to Mardi Gras twice.
I'm not going to correct her. 3 times.
Red light. This is go. So Diamond and Priority and Suites have already boarded, or are in the process of boarding, and we are next.
Be on here soon. Show you everything.
Good afternoon, Carnival family. This is Monica, your Fun Squad team. Please, let me be the first one to officially welcome you on board the beautiful Carnival Mardi Gras. I hope you're ready for all the fun we have in store for you on the next 7 days. I'm also jumping out here reminded that all guests
Good. How you doing? Good. You grab that. Where you at, Marsha?
No, Mardi Gras, yay!
Where are we going to?
Muster station.
All right.
Get that thing done. All right, finished muster drill. Glad it's over with. Found the casino. It's number 2 on our list. Time to probably go get a drink, a refreshing drink. Finished the muster station, and we're in the buffet. That came off of one of the little street eats. First drink of the day. Kurt's getting the buffet, and then I'll go.
Hey!
Say hello.
Hey!
So after lunch, we headed on to deck 6, where we decided to get a few drinks at the Brass Magnolia.
left-hand side. Take a look on your left.
What drink are you drinking right now, and what number are you on now, Marsha?
I don't remember the number, but I can tell you it's a Sex on the Beach. I think it's number 6 or 7.
Really? It's still a little early into the evening, so are you trying to make it to 15 tonight?
I don't know if I can make it to 15 tonight, but we could try. We could try. First night on the cruise ship, and we decided to eat at Cucina del Capitano. We were treated like royalty. It was great. The staff was amazing. They took very good care of us.
Especially Precious.
Precious is the lady now.
Yeah.
She is the mom.com. She talked to us for a little while and got to know us, and the food was delicious. Highly recommend that orange cake at the end.
Oh yeah. And also the pork chop. That's what I had. I had a great pork chop.
I had the chicken parmesan. It was delicious. All the food was delicious. I got a meatball for my appetizer, and that was yummy too. Ready? Yeah. Abracadabra. Okay. It's starting to turn purple. Thank you.
Thank you.
Abracadabra! At least that's the name of the drink that I got here at the fortune teller bar. It's rum and pineapple juice and all kinds of goodness, and it's supposed to have butterfly dust in it. It's really good. I highly recommend it.
All right, tell us what you got.
I got a espresso martini with cream, and my name was written on top of it.
Well, a very good morning, Mardi Gras family. How's everyone doing today? It is the Wave Morning Show. Now, I'm joined by two lovely people. For those of you who don't know me, and I'm sure you don't because this is the first day I've actually shown my face. I'm your cruise director, Jackie. And joining me, I've got two beautiful ladies. Why don't you introduce yourselves, guys?
Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Leia. I'm part of the Fun Squad all the way from Philly.
Oh, all the way from Philly. That's amazing. Whereabouts in Philly you're from?
I'm from the South Philly.
Where's that?
Today is day 2, and it's a sea day, and we've just been hanging out and relaxing, and I snuck and got a simple coffee drink, just a coffee drink. And Curt made me videotape it. He said that it was my first drink of the day. Well, it is a martini, but it's a chocolate coffee martini. I don't think that should count as my first drink. Do you? Today's a sea day. We're just chilling out, relaxing. We got up this morning. We went to the buffet for breakfast. I had a ready omelet that they made for me. I had some chocolate milk, and I ate light because I figured we'll be eating all day anyway.
Biscuits and gravy.
Kurt had biscuits and gravy and chicken from the Big Chicken Shack.
Big chicken.
Big chicken. So we ate breakfast, and then we went and listened to the morning show, the morning news show, and the wave, and we walked through the casino, kind of stalked our prey, but didn't play anything. We were gonna go to the trivia, but it's so full I can't get in there.
C, the fly, or D, the talon? So, give it a guess. Hey, give it a guess. Which of the following is a foe of the super chicken? The zipper for A, B, the frog, C, the fly, or D, the talon?
We were going to do the cereal trivia, but I don't think we're going to be able to get in there either. So we decided we're going to go put our bathing suits on, and somewhere around here on this ship we're going to get wet. Whether it's a pool or at the spa or in a hot tub or something, we're at least going to stick our feet in.
Oh, hello,
What are we all looking at? Oh, he got some sun. Oh, you bought a watch? With whose money? If I was a rich boy. Na 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 na. The toughest role you ever played. Hollywood created a movie star.
Clear. It's clear.
Everybody wear these glasses. For a couple of songs, take a selfie with your neighbor. The floor like she had a disease.
No alcohol involved. No alcohol involved.
This is how you do. Getting kind of crazy over here. There you go, there you go. Everybody point out the wildest, craziest guy in your group or whoever needs some 80s hair. Let's rock up. Yeah, yes, it's a mohawk, yes. We're gonna form an 80s hair band. We're gonna form our own 80s hair band. Walk around there, everybody point out your neighbor if they need some hair. Talk to you, Pitbull. All right, let's see here. Yeah, pass them out. Pass them out. See you guys. No worries. All right. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. You don't. Oh, she don't want to mess up her hair. Okay, that'll be okay. It'll be okay. Instruments, pass them out. There we go now, there we go. I want you guys to go around the room. Where we go now, where we go now. Follow that road.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.